Imagine you're a builder constructing a massive skyscraper. You have all the materials, blueprints, and tools, but there's one crucial component missing: the foundation. Without a strong foundation, your skyscraper would crumble. In the world of blockchain, the foundation is often provided by a token. And today, we're going to dive deep into one specific token, the Beam token. What is a Beam token? Before we get into its uses, let's understand what a Beam token is. Think of it as a digital currency, but with a twist. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency, meaning it prioritizes the anonymity and confidentiality of your transactions. How does privacy work in Beam? Beam employs a technology called confidential transactions. This means that your transaction details, such as the amount and recipient, are hidden from the public blockchain. Only you and the recipient can see this information. Beam token use cases. Now, let's explore some of the primary use cases for Beam tokens. Digital payments. Peer-to-peer transactions. You can send Beam tokens directly to friends or family without intermediaries. Online shopping. Some merchants accept Beam as a payment method. International remittances. Beam can be used to send money across borders quickly and securely. Privacy-preserving transactions. Financial privacy. Protect your financial data from hackers and surveillance. Anonymous donations. Make charitable contributions without revealing your identity. Private marketplaces. Participate in online marketplaces where privacy is paramount. Decentralized applications, dApps. Gaming. Beam can power in-game economies and provide privacy for player data. Supply chain management. Track goods and materials while ensuring data confidentiality. Voting systems. Enable secure and private voting in decentralized governance. Beam's unique advantages. What sets Beam apart from other privacy-focused cryptocurrencies? Scalability. Beam has implemented technologies to improve transaction speed and efficiency. Security. The Beam network employs advanced cryptographic algorithms to protect user funds. Community-driven development. Beam's development is guided by its community, ensuring that it meets the needs of its users. The future of Beam. As the blockchain landscape continues to evolve, Beam has the potential to play a significant role in various industries. Its focus on privacy and security aligns with growing concerns about data protection and surveillance. So, to answer our initial question, a Beam token is used to facilitate private and secure transactions, power decentralized applications, and protect your financial privacy. With its unique advantages and a growing community, Beam has the potential to become a leading player in the world of privacy-focused cryptocurrencies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.